This is a short summary of the beginner's solo jive routine number 4. This was taught on week 4 of the 4-week course in June 2020. This is just a very short summary of that routine. Okay, so we shall start with the basic, and we have the mooch, 2 windmills, the toe heel swivel, the chassis singles and doubles and the stalking walks, back steps, the rock steps, the whip, and then the Elvis Presley with the flicks. I've got it written up there, we'll be fine. Basic, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, we mooch, back, flick, flick, back step, triple step, back step, flick and flick, back step, triple step, windmill, around and round and round. Second windmill, back step, toe, heel, cross, hold titan. Chassis, chassis, single, 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 chassis. Point and chassis. Back step, rock, rock, tap, step, rock, rock, tap, step. Now we whip, walk, walk, triple step, back step, flick, flick, Elvis, woo, Elvis, and there. Like I said, short summary, we've done it all in the class. That was just your little recap, just in case you wanted to see it in just a couple of minutes. Okay, I'll see you soon.